So we're back. This is the unboxing knife that I've been waiting for. This is the Cabela Function EFX-R. I've been waiting for this for the past 2 weeks because recently I've been using this. This is the Cold Steel GFX tactical knife that I found on Amazon. So unfortunately, when I bought this, I thought it was gonna be real metal, but this is actually made out of a hard plastic. It's a pretty good plastic because the point is still sharp and it will make holes, but it does not cut at all, or cut properly, I would say. So this, we're gonna say bye to Kira, and we're gonna be saying hello to a new friend of ours. So we're gonna get this open. So it's made from a rainbow titanium coated stainless steel. It has a frame lock design and as well as a versatile drop point blade. So it is about 5.5 inches wide and the blade is approximately 2.5 inches and it weighs around 48 grams or 1.7 ounces. So it's made out of a 440 steel and we're gonna get this open. So I don't want to damage the box on this, but it looks like I will have to. This unfortunately won't be of any help, so we'll just leave this here on the side. But for now, we're just gonna have to open this the cold and harsh way. Oh no, I feel so bad for the box already. I always love keeping these type of boxes, but this one doesn't really have an opening to do it without breaking it. So I'm unfortunately gonna have to destroy the packaging. All right. So Kira actually is coming in handy, I would say. She actually does cut decently well. Not too bad. Despite being a hard plastic, it did cut through this plastic. So that was able to help me out. So I'm gonna try not to cut myself here. Oh, I'm gonna try to open this a little more. All right, so I finally got it out without cutting myself. So here it is. So here you have it, Cabela's, as you can see right there. So for now, this we can put it on the side. We won't be needing this for a while. And actually we can throw that out. So it has a safety tip on top just so it doesn't cut. So this is how it looks like. So you'll see here that it's written Cabela's on top and it's made out of a rainbow gradient, which is pretty nice. So that's it. It also has a little clip that's featured on top here. Has a little clip that'll let you attach it to your belt, to your pants, or to any type of fabric that you wish to attach it to. And to close this, all you have to do is just bend it down. Oh. I'm not sure how you quite... Oh, okay, I found it. So for this one, it has a frame lock design. So you'll see here that there's a little ribbed part. So if you look on the inside, it's blocking the blade from going down. As well, it's gonna help the blade from going up. So what you do is from this side, you're gonna open it and you're gonna slowly wedge in. So we'll do it again. So I'll show you. So you just have to push down on this little piece, which is gonna allow the blade to go down. And now we have a nice foldable pocket knife that is around 5.5 minus 2.5, 3 inches long. So here we have it, the Cabela's knife. There's nothing much to say about it. It's pretty straightforward. To open it, there's little notches here that's gonna allow you to flip up the knife and go. Oh, okay. So it won't like go up, but it's a nice little sturdy knife. You can see here, it's pretty nice. It's decently sharp. It looks sharp. I'm gonna see how much I can cut. So of course, it's not gonna cut this cardboard that easily. I have a paper here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see how well this can cut. Piece of paper. So we're gonna go ahead and see that. Okay, it's not too sharp. It definitely is pretty jagged when you try to cut it. But other than that, it's sharp enough for my purposes. It's a nice, bright, and shiny color. I really love the color on this. It does catch fingerprints quite a bit, but this is gonna be the knife I'll be using from now on to do my unboxing videos. So now the moment we all been waiting for is the naming. So I've been thinking about it the whole day because I actually got this in the morning, and right now it's currently like around 8-9 p.m. So the name I'll be giving her is Bella, since she does come from Cabela's. So so I'll be naming her Cabela. She's gonna be my new unboxing knife. I have some packages that I'm going to be unboxing in the next couple of days, so stay tuned for those videos. Other than that, this is just a small video I wanted to post for you guys, just to show that this Cabela knife, and that's the end of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up button, and if you guys want something specific for me to unbox, just leave it down in the comments below. And subscribe for more unboxing videos to come out in the future, as well as gaming gear. So I do have something here. I will put it out of focus. Okay, no, you guys already saw that, but I do have something coming up. I'll be unboxing that. It's gonna be part of my new white setup. And so subscribe for more info on that, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.